Hello and welcome to Hybiz News. This is Sujata. Dunzo, India's leading quick e-commerce player, has raised 240 million US dollars in its latest round of funding. The investment was led by Reliance Retail Ventures Limited, with participation from existing investors Lightbox, Lightrock, 3L Capital and Alteria Capital. With an investment of 240 million US dollars, Reliance Retail will own 25.8% stakes on a fully diluted basis. This round is a reinstatement of confidence of existing and new investors in Dunzo's potential and success in creating an exceptional user experience. The capital will be used to further Dunzo's vision to be the largest quick commerce business in the country, enabling instant delivery of essentials from a network of micro warehouses, while also expanding its B2B business vertical to enable logistics, all for local merchants in Indian cities. Speaking on the investment, Isha Ambani, Director, Reliance Retail Ventures Limited, said, "We are seeing a shift in consumption patterns to online and have been highly impressed with how Dunzo has disrupted the space. Dunzo is the pioneer of quick commerce in India and we want to support them in furthering their ambitions to becoming a prominent local commerce enabler in the country. Through our partnership with Dunzo, we will be able to provide increased convenience to Reliance Retail's customers and differentiated customers experience through rapid delivery of products from Reliance Retail stores. Our merchants will get access to the hyperlocal delivery network of Dunzo to support their growth as they move their business online through JioMart." Thank you for watching Hybiz News.